Obesity is one of the major health issues today. In the digital era, life is becoming increasingly efficient, connected and convenient. However, at the same time, there are a number of health issues, such as obesity, that are arising due to excessive dependence on technology. Although there is increased awareness, and a successful healthcare industry, obesity is at its peak. Technology has definitely improved our lives immensely, but it has its downsides as well. We find ourselves glued to our screen, when we could be out enjoying the sunshine. Children spend too much time playing video games and mobile games instead of playing outside. According to statistics, teenagers spend over 9 hours on their screens daily, 2025. In 2025, globally, adults average over 7 hours of screen time per day. The average person checks their phone approximately 96 times a day. With declining physical activity, obesity is sure to increase. Why is obesity a crucial problem? Studies show that about 1 billion people worldwide are obese, including nearly 1 in 5 children. Obesity leads to a number of health issues. Not only does it make one look out of shape, more lethargic, and lazy, it leads to a number of serious health concerns like digestive issues, respiratory problems, musculoskeletal problems, cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, mobility issues, joint problems, mental health conditions. Main causes of obesity. Here are some major causes of obesity that we must know to be able to manage it. Inactive lifestyles. One of the major reasons of obesity is inactivity. Without doubt we have tend to become much lazier than we were in the past. Overdependence and overuse of gadgets and devices has led us so far. Since digital entertainment has increased, and online jobs and education are on the rise too, people spend more time on their screens than ever. Physical activity has declined drastically in the past decade. Children spend huge amounts of time on their screens, instead of playing games that involve physical activity. Adults spend most of their time working on their devices. Processed food, such as packaged snacks, sugary beverages, frozen food, and fast food, are easily accessible and favored by busy people who don't have the time to make home-cooked meals. These days, convenience is more important than quality. Processed foods are made to be addictive, but lack nutrients, which leads to overeating. Emotional eating. Anxiety, stress, and depression are widely common nowadays, due to social isolation and excessive screen time. People turn to stress eating, a coping mechanism that works in the short term, but leads to harm. How to manage obesity? Although the rise in obesity is daunting, there are many new advancements that are helping us battle it. Here are some steps that you can take to tackle obesity. Limit screen time. One simple step that can help you minimize inactivity is to cut down our screen time. You need to make an effort to use your smartphone lesser. Most people may not know, but they are smartphone addicts. They feel an urge to check their devices every few minutes. Visiting your social media pages again and again and staying connecting with your contacts all the time not only makes you physically inactive, but it also wastes your time and energy. Limit how much time you should use on your device. If you work online, you should also take breaks and move around so that you can stay active. A number of apps are available that can help you monitor your screen time and provide tips to cut down your time on various apps. Diet plans. Another simple and latest way to manage obesity is to make personalized diet plans using AI. AI makes personalized diet plans much more accessible. Many apps can analyze gut microbiome, genetic data, and lifestyle habits to recommend diet for weight loss. Wearable technology devices can also help you manage obesity. They help you track movement and calorie intake. It also provides real-time feedback, motivate users to increase physical activity, and help you track progress as well. These devices can be particularly useful together with weight management counseling and other related apps. Medications. With the advances in medical technology, weight loss drugs have been approved, and show much promise. These medications are prescribed by doctors widely, now. Other than that, bariatric surgery has become more effective, and less invasive, with better outcomes and less risk. Public health campaigns. Many governments are putting strict regulations on junk food marketing, and, in some cities, there are sugar taxes, and encouragement for purchasing healthy food. Urban planning is including more public parks, bike lanes and walkable communities. All these things are encouraging people to live better lifestyles. Exercise. More exercise is the key to lose weight. To effectively lose weight through exercise, you should do cardio and strength training too. Cardio exercises such as swimming, walking, jogging, and cycling can be great to lose weight. You should also do strength training to build muscle, boost your metabolism and help in weight loss. Other tips to manage obesity. Here are some other tips that can help you combat obesity. Education. We must teach people about nutrition and physical literacy from an early age. Accessibility. Healthy food and exercise should be available to all people. Support systems. There should be encouraging support groups to motivate people. Sustainable habits. We should promote gradual change instead of drastic diets. The final word. Obesity is a worldwide issue, but it can be addressed with the right mindset. We must work together to change our future for the better. Limiting screen time, exercising more, using wearable gadgets and apps can all help you manage obesity and enjoying optimal health and fitness.